Imagine this. A person have just suddenly collapsed in front of you, not responding, not breathing normally, and people are watching. Someone is calling the emergency service, and everyone is looking at you. This is the moment that CPR can save life. But today on this video, I will show you the 7 critical mistakes that you should not do. Mistakes that can cost life. And I will show you instead what you can do when you are in such situation. Follow me. Look, before we continue, this video is for educational purposes only. To build confidence, you need to take a first aid and CPR course and practice with an instructor. Let's continue. Mistake number 1, waiting too long. In real emergency situation, people freeze. They say, maybe the person will wake up. Maybe someone else will know what to do. Maybe we should just wait for ambulance. But if the person is not responding, is not breathing, waiting is dangerous. Do this instead.
Hello. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I need help here. Call emergency for me. Please tell them to come with an AED right away. Remember this, the person is not responding, is not breathing normally. Don't just watch, act. Have you seen what I have done? Check for responsiveness, shout for help, give a clear directive to someone to call you an emergency, and instruct that person to come with an AED. Then start CPR. And the way you saw it. Do not wait for ambulance before you start CPR. Emergency service is coming, but CPR start with the person closer to emergency. And remember this, the person is not responding, is not breathing. Don't just watch. Mistake number 2, doing CPR on the subsurface. Doing CPR on the subsurface like bed, a couch, or a soft mattress. I'm on the bed here. You can see when I'm pressing, it's the mattress that is going deep. When I'm pressing down, I'm rather pressing the mattress. So as you can see here, the flow of the blood is not reaching the brain because I'm busy pressing the mattress instead of pressing the chest. That's the mistake. So doing CPR in a soft surface is a common mistake. It simply means that when you are pressing, the compression may not be effective. Since when you are pressing down the mattress instead of pressing the chest. Do this instead on the firm, flat, stable surface like this, as you can see, like this. So like, you see, I have ability to press, and then achieve my goal. In a controlled training setting, a solid table may also be firm enough. But the key message is this: CPR needs a firm surface, not a soft bed, not a couch, not a mattress, a firm surface. So, and remember this, a strong compression provides better chances. Mistake number 3, pressing too lightly. The third mistake is pressing too lightly when you are doing chest compression. Many people are afraid and they think, what if I hurt someone? What if I press too hard? Weak compression does not push or allow or help enough blood to reach the brain and the vital organ. Let me show you what you can do instead. This is what you can do. Position your hand, place your hand in the center of the chest. Keep your arm straight, put your shoulder over the hand, push hard and fast. For an adult, 5 to 6 centimeter deep to be able to make an impact. See how the blood is flowing. Look at my mannequin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look at how I put this, I hope you see, this part here straight, and on the center of the chest, you start pressing fast and hard, at least 5 to 6 centimeters deep. And you can see how the blood, is flowing to the brain. That's how you press. Yes, I know CPR is forceful. It looks awkward. But if someone is in need of CPR, doing nothing is more dangerous. And remember this, gentle CPR is not an effective CPR. The fourth mistake is doing CPR too slowly. CPR is not a slow massage. Your CPR compression should create blood circulation. So let me show you what you can do instead. So when you have positioned your hand in the center of the chest, compress at least. Press hard, fast, and control. Keep the rhythm because your ultimate goal is simple. Push hard, push fast, be steady, and then let the chest rise. Mistake number 6, forgetting AED. The sixth mistake is doing CPR, forgetting the AED. Yes, CPR can move the blood, but AED can check the heart rhythm and deliver a shock when needed. So that is why you need both. So do this instead.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button. Remove clothing from the patient's chest. Remove packets and apply pads onto patient's bare skin. Apply pads. Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Begin CPR. Continue CPR.
The seventh mistake on the list is doing nothing because you are afraid. This mistake is the biggest one. Most people are afraid of helping. People think like, what if I make a mistake? What if people judge me? What if I'm not perfect? When someone is in cardiac arrest, that person is not looking for perfection. Just help. This person in cardiac arrest needs action. They need action. So do this instead. 1, call emergency right away. 2nd, action. Start CPR. Follow the dispatcher information. Follow the dispatcher direction. Follow the AED prompt and directive. Keep going as you are helping. Keep going until the emergency arrive and take over, or another trained person take over, until the emergency take over, or a trained person. But if you are physically exhausted, you cannot be able to do it, then there's nothing you can do. So let's remember the 7 CPR mistakes. Waiting too long, using a soft surface, pressing too lightly, going too slow, leaning on the chest, forgetting the AED, and doing nothing because of fear. The correct action is simple. Check response, call emergency service, get AED, start CPR, use a firm surface, push hard, push fast, let the chest rise. Follow the AED. and keep going. So look, watching this video can help you understand CPR, but practice is what builds you confidence. So if you are a parent, a coach, a security guard, a business owner, an enterprise, a daycare worker, consider taking a certified first aid and CPR course. Consider that because in the real emergency situation, the first person to act is not a doctor. It may be you. See you on another video.